The introduction of a decentralized digital asset, protected through cryptography and backed through measurable computing power rather than a central authority, has changed the way a lot of transactions are completed since the original development of Bitcoin, originally released in 2009, and now plastered over many online and offline retailers and businesses. Since this time, other cryptocurrencies have been developed, and there are hundreds in existence, all serving varying purposes to industries such as cloud storage, gaming, advertising, but a particularly disruptive backup cryptocurrency that has been developed recently is smart contracts, which allow for both parties of a transaction to receive their honest compensation, whilst ensuring complete privacy and verifiability, unlike traditional payment methods. All of these technologies have been made possible due to Ethereum's ability to be a platform for development for building decentralized applications using programming languages including Python and Go. The amount of smart contracts has been gaining steady traction since mid-2015 and is said to rise once the technology has been fully implemented. One example of a framework that is to be used for the enforced execution of smart contracts is Plasma, designed by Joseph Poon, head developer on the Lightning Network, and Vitalik Buterin, lead developer of the Ethereum project. In their white paper, they suggest smart contracts are secure due to their fraud proofs, where the state of each transaction is essentially verified on the parent blockchain on the hierarchy, which is spread with a tree-like pattern. The fraud proofs not only check for errors in the blockchain to connecting individuals, but also include a time delay, which in my opinion makes this transaction style one of the safest possible for non-trusting parties, or any group that wants to cut out a middleman. Smart contracts require a certain set of conditions to be met for the contract to be self-executed. They have the ability to gather data from outside the contract in order to see that the contract has been fulfilled, which makes it adaptable for lots of different situations. An example of smart contracts that have already been implemented into an extremely prominent industry in the finance sector is AXA, the French multinational insurance firm. The company has recently used the blockchain platform Fizzy to provide smart contracts for people seeking flight insurance, and they have said that they intend to provide this service globally within 2018. This is a huge step forward, as it has proven smart contracts to be a reliable way of providing safe transactional terms for both large corporations and individuals, and could eliminate the need for a lot of expenditure on anti-fraud and corruption measures that are currently in place, and extra working hands in many areas of the finance industry.